It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't.
Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. How are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. I just filmed a video. Look at this hair, guys. Look at this hair. Like, I'm feeling myself. The color is so gorgeous. I think that the color is amazing more than anything. I think it suits my complexion so well. This is going to be my next pack your bag and go, move, grocery shopping, everything, travel wig. I just love it so much, and I love the way that it looks on my head. It's actually a full lace wig, but I just put like a headband over it. By the time this video goes up, a full video should have gone up for this wig. I'm going to be making my hair. I'm going to take this wig off. I already washed and conditioned. I want to just do stitch braids that kind of go all the way back off of my face. That's what my soul is craving right now. Before I move on to that, however, I want to thank Cowrywise for sponsoring this video. If you do not know who or what Cowrywise is a digital wealth manager opening up access to secure and suitable investments for young Africans. Young Africans, me and you, we are Africans, Africans are who? On a more serious note, like, we're young Africans. That is, I'm basically talking to you. If you're young, sit up right now because I have information for you. Cowrywise is really, really good, guys. I've actually been using it for a while. It is a very, very good way to save money and also invest as well. I've had a lot of young people ask me recently, especially even when I do Q&As. One topic that I have not yet done anything on, but I keep getting questions on is, how do you save money? How do you invest? And I think that a lot of us are kind of familiar with the traditional methods that our parents or older people in our lives have used over the years, but then there are actually apps that make these things easy for you now. Cowrywise is one of them. Saving on there is so easy. Like, the user interface is what even blows my mind. The user interface is so good. I've downloaded a lot of like digital apps of recent where you actually download them and you don't know your left from right. You're struggling at the beginning just setting up and signing up. It's not like that at all. It's very easy to sign up on Cowrywise. You get an OTP, they verify you, and then you just sign up and start saving and investing. So with Cowrywise, you can choose the amount of money you want to save. So it could be 500, 1,000, 2,000. You can choose how often you want to save. So weekly, monthly, yearly, like just choose how often you want to save that amount. And then you can also choose the period of time. So do you want to do this for a 6-month period, 1 year period? Just like choose how long you want to do this for. So for me right now, I actually love it. Like, I love the fact that it's making saving very, very easy for me. Like, I like the fact that you tell the app what to do and the app just starts doing it. It does not require your permission every time that it has to do it. Because you know how saving can be. Like, if I decide to save, let's say 50,000 naira every month, I know that certain months will come when, like, if I haven't locked this in, certain months will come where I'll be like, do I even want to save this 50K or not? Like, and I'll probably spend it on something that I probably had no business spending it on. You're also able to invest money on there very, very easily. There's an entire section dedicated to investment. Another thing again about Cowrywise is that you save your money and then you watch it grow. So it's not just throwing your money somewhere and then nothing is happening to it. You save your money on that platform and then you watch it grow. If you're an Android user, this app is available on the Google Play Store. Just download. If you're an iPhone user like me, just go to the Apple Store and download Cowrywise. I'm going to insert their logo somewhere here just so that you see what the Cowrywise logo looks like. Additional information will be in the description box. A direct link will be in the description box. Check it out, and I think I'll also include download links as well that will take you straight to the App Store or the Google Play Store. Okay, so I'm going to go on ahead and take my wig off now, take my makeup off, take my lashes off, everything. I need to braid my hair. Did I already say that? But I want to braid my hair. I don't want the braids to be like, I don't want a lot of braids, maybe 10-15 braids max. That's the plan. Yeah, that's the plan. done. This is similar to what I did the last time, right? I'm going to hop into the shower now, and yeah, I like it. Wait, I just filmed a video today. I actually filmed 2 videos today, and when I finished filming the first one, I was like, I'm going to call Christabel this evening. No joke. I was like, she's been quiet. Christabel is not quiet. Christabel is like a chinchi. I call her chinchi. People think it's a joke. Like, chinchi is bed bug. Like, I've gone a long while without speaking with her or to her, and I was like, yeah, I need to call Christabel. Later this evening when I'm done, I'll FaceTime her. And then my sister starts calling me. Norma starts calling me, and she's like, where are you? Are you going out? Like 3 times, are you going out? I'm like, Norma, why are you asking me if I'm going out? I thought she was even trying to send something to the house. And then my phone rings. One Nigerian number. I'm like, yeah, who is this? Do you know who it is? Like, as if I will not know her voice. Christabel flew all the way from London. I need people to see this girl's face. Without informing me that she was coming. Look at her. And she actually surprised me, I'm not going to lie.
I knew
she actually, you should come out, the light there is very bright. Come here, we need to see your face. She actually pulled it off. I'm actually impressed. Look at her.
I told her I had a surprise for you though. I told you that.
Yeah, but then I was thinking that you were actually not you. I wasn't expecting you to come. And then she calls me and she came in yesterday. I've actually missed Christabel, I'm not joking. I thought that the next time that I'll see you will not be here. For some weird ass reason. Can you see this girl came bearing gifts?
I have to.
Oh my gosh, like I'm gonna open this. Excited. I got some waist trainer things that she recommended. And then a wig. Chrissy Bale. She even labeled it Dimma.
Yeah, so we've been planning for this.
Incredible. Incredible. Aww. Guy. I'm sure that I like it. Oh, this is perfect. This is perfect. Thank you, darling. Guys, this is it. I think it's gorgeous.
So pretty.
It's so pretty. It's so pretty. At least it can fit a phone. So I don't know what you're talking about, Chrissy. I love it. I have a video going up by 6:30. It's almost up. I'm going to upload it like shortly. I'm wearing my jalabia that I got from Accra. Guys, going out to have dinner with Christabel. I'm wearing this Adire set that I got. The shirt is actually big and long, but I just tied it. Yeah, I think we're going to go to Knock to eat. That's the plan. I filmed 2 videos today, full face of makeup on. Yeah. So, yeah. I want to go and be back home early. I'm so hungry, man. So hungry.
I'm a little bit naughty. I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer. Yeah. Crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer. Yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right.
See this girl. Show us. You're going to drop this thing you're wearing before you leave me. Guys, the display window at Knock is always so nice. Where is that 2-piece from? Oh, this is ASOS. Nice. I think I'm going to buy this if I see it.
I have to only eat the amala.
The amala is very good. Have you tried amala before?
Yes, my God has made me one before.
Who made you?
Not the ewedu and everything.
No, you need it with the ewedu.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting. Everyone said I should just get that.
I think let's have it because I'm also craving amala as well.
No, Dimma, we're not gonna have the same thing.
I don't understand. That's what I want.
Oh, but why are we eating the same exact same thing?
Christabel, I want amala.
But why are we gonna eat the same thing? Who comes to the restaurant to eat the exact same
The
thing?
reason why I chose here is because I wanted to look.
Yeah, let's share amala, and then we'll get something else.
No, you can get something else. I want amala.
I'm gonna eat your amala. This is more of the story. If I get something else.
No, I don't need to get something else. I want to look. Let me tell you guys, this is me and Christabel's relationship in a nutshell. In a nutshell.
Dimma. It's not. It's like let's eat something different, and then. Oh my God! In all this list they have, we're gonna eat the same thing.
What I'm craving. Right?
Yes, can we share it then? And then I get something new.
Stop talking to me. I don't want to speak to you. I don't want to speak to you again. I think I'm going to have the. What am I going to have? I don't want Chapman. I got a mojito. Guys.
Is that it?
Yes. Hey, guys.
Oh my God, that looks so cute.
Guys, my amala is here. This looks so good. There's a wedu and there's begiri in here. Assorted meat. Can I even finish this? Chrissy ordered the same thing.
Unfortunately,
yeah.
under duress. How do you eat this thing?
Chrissy, normally you're actually supposed to eat this with your hands, but
Where?
you can do a fork and knife.
Where is
Just
the
use a
amala?
spoon. The amala is underneath, so the soup is on top of the amala. So good. It looks so freaking good. Do you like it?
Yeah, I do.
You enjoying
After I
yourself?
finally found the amala.
What does it taste like?
Yam porridge.
Really?
Yeah, that's the Yoruba version of yam porridge.
Interesting. By the way, this one just got here. See, you cannot control yourself.
Why should I be controlling myself? Isn't there abacha here?
I ordered abacha for this guy. I ordered this gigantic tray from the regular people that I showed you guys last time. So this thing is filled with abacha and there's oba here. I'm not a big fan of oba, but the whole thing comes with oba. I have not eaten because I've been waiting for you. So this one, her body is just being her totori because she cannot stand.
No.
No. Can you tell me why you cannot stand still? When was the last time you ate abacha?
Last December.
So you even ate last December, self.
December. It wasn't nice though. I didn't like that one.
Right, this one I think you're going to like it. So this is the wig that she brought. She's working on it now to make it look nice. I'm really excited about this hair. I have been asking for this hair since last year, guys. I want the curls to be popping, Christabel. Make this hair look nice. As if when I'm tagging you on Instagram, I'll not put Chrissy Bills. You know, you're trying to deny the hair. Better make that out. Make the hair work.
I need to wear it.
Yeah, so see, I'm a good girl. I brought you two. There's a big one, small one, depending on what you want.
I need to wear the whole hair. So now
Okay.
this is what it's supposed to look like, guys. So beautiful.
So why were you brushing me? I'm trying to get Chrissy to show me how to do the flick.
This is how it's looking. What you have to do, lift it, lift, and then so automatically you have a lift.
Right.
You just hold
That was so
the
easy
tip
the way you did it.
and hold and move it up. Automatically creates that lift there. So another thing we do is just use this just at the edge of the lace. So that it stays down.
Oh, right.
Yeah. When you put it on your head, it won't be just gone just somewhere.
Waiting for the flick. Flick it.
Okay, so now with the flicking,
Right.
grab the top part like that. The part
Right.
that we cut.
Right.
So literally.
Wow, that was very easy. I did not know that. That's the one I know.
Oh,
Okay, that one I know.
this is easier one.
So you just curl it towards the top, right? And back, away from your face. So how do I make sure it stays? Let me see the holding spray you recommend, please.
Silhouette. But I would have cut this a little bit more, but I didn't want you to lose it when you're gonna keep it where it's straight.
This is so like the way this week has just transformed in seconds.
And then the same thing, I try and do something about here too. Because you can just not have one side flicked and the other side not flicked. Pick it up.
Is it easier to do this with a curling iron?
Of course. I'm just using this because that's all you had.
But this is so quick.
Yeah, you can do it. It's not hard. You just clamp the curls.
Wow. Chrissy is really something else.
Then you just use your hand because you don't want to use a comb to comb it all out.
Right.
And that's it. Something light. And the same with this. Just something light.
I like it. This is actually my type of curls.
Something light, not
so
too serious.
wavy. Love it.
Something very light, not too serious.
I actually like this a lot.
You know. Yeah, you just spray it down.
Guys, is this focused? Yes. This past week kicked my ass. I was supposed to round this vlog up, but I couldn't. Wow. I'm just going to round this vlog up. There were a couple of things that I wanted to do, and the reason I think I kept stalling was because I was like, I have to add these things to the vlog before I round it up. But guys, please, a girl has tried. So I'm going to add that to the upcoming vlog. You guys should please look out for that one. I wanted to say two things. I said this in the comment section of my Ghana vlog, but I think quite a good number of you missed it because you guys are still asking me for an update with what happened with Airpiece. And guys, Airpiece offered me free return tickets to Ghana as compensation for my suitcases. And to be honest, I think I'm going to take that offer. I think I am going to, because I think that if I start insisting that they get replaced, like those exact boxes, I bought those boxes in Italy. First of all, they're not going to buy the exact same boxes for me. Yes, the other thing would be cash compensation, but you people know Nigeria, like, yeah. So yeah, I'll take their free return ticket to Accra. And the second thing was that in the vlog after that one, I showed you guys this. I told you guys that I got it from Kiki Foodies or Kiki's Foodies. She is literally like one of my favorite food bloggers. Like, I live for her recipes, and she also has this page where she kind of sells like small kitchen gadgets, you know, etc. And this was one of them. So this one was the replacement that they sent ASAP, like perfect. So that first one that I received was out of shape, dented. It wasn't, something was wrong with it, right? So this one is actually how it's supposed to be, right? So this is what this looks like. If you guys look inside, there's a mesh thing here, right? So this is like just similar to the typical sieve that you would get, or that I use in the kitchen. So you know, like when you're trying to sieve flour, which is highly recommended because guys, sieve your flour, there are always creepy crawlies inside those things and you don't want to be eating insects. So normally you would have one of these. They come with like a handle, or sometimes they don't, and you kind of do this and you tap and it sieves your flour, or sieves whatever type of, like, yeah, whatever type of flour it is, it sieves it for you. Or powder, any type of baking powder, it will sieve it for you. But this makes it so easy. So instead of doing this for maybe even sometimes up to 1 minute to get everything to just like sieve, you just do this. So there is this thing here. You can see that this is kind of rolling against, or kind of grinding into the mesh. And this, just really quickly, it sieves all your flour in seconds. And that's what I saw her do in a video, and that's why I wanted this. And this, guys, I've been using this for weeks now, and I really love it. So I'd highly recommend this. Her Instagram page where she sells stuff is Kiki's Favorite Things. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with me this week, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to me, please subscribe. I think I should have said this earlier on. I'll make sure to start the new vlog with this information. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. I hope that this vlog actually has audio. Okay, so yeah, that's it, my loves. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.